So I just now learned that Beenieman mother passed away, and I want to take this moment to send my deepest condolences to Beenieman and his family. You know, it's a very sad people. So we are going to roll the intro and then we're going to come back and we're going to talk about it a little bit. All right.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back, everyone. So, like me, as Beenieman mother passed away today, and you know, we just send some condolences to him and his family. Now, this is very sad, but we know say Beenieman mother is sick for a while now. Last year she did sick, and then this year again she was admitted to the hospital, right? And Beenieman was very public about it. At least the second time more than the first time. The first time I did a video on it, and it was last year sometime. But since here now we see him got a hospital, him video and him come and talk about it a little bit and all that, right? But it just so happened that today she passed away. So, you know, it's very sad, like I said, people, very, very sad. There's not a lot of content out there right now regarding the passing of Beenieman's mother because it just happened and it looked like him a wallet and I keep it private. We know say him a grief, right? But however, we see him daughter post, Desha Ravers, and also we get a voice note from him longtime friend, even though them never good wedding, but you know what I mean, I saw it go still. Once something like this was serious like that, you know, say the man I go represent. So that is Dan Mafia me I talk about. You know, say Beenieman and Dan Mafia was friends for years, right? But Dan Mafia sent a voice note and I sent out and basically I say condolences to Beenieman because him know Beenieman mother like that, right? So I have the voice note phone, I go play it phone, make on hear what Dan Mafia say, and then we check in and check out Desha Ravers comment, right? Because she also posts and she had a caption and everything. So we're going to take a listen to Dan Mafia. Here goes.
John, no, me just say Beenieman mother drop out start. R.I.P. to Miss Lilith, you know. Condolences to DJ and his family, because I don't know star. No matter what go on, you know. Still respect her manners, I say straight. I don't know Miss Lilith. I want good little lady star. God no. Don't know star. Send up some prayers for DJ star. I don't know, because I don't know that not easy, you see me? People you don't know me, they are school through Instagram.
So big up yourself, Dan Mafia, for that, because we know how some people stay. For some people, they wouldn't have the heart and courage to even reach out, but you know you're a real person, and for a long time you're Beenieman a friend, so it never matter. You know what I mean? Right now, it never matter. You know him mother like that and things. So big up yourself. So people, right now, we are going to take a look at what Beenieman daughter posts. I'm going to talk about Desha, right? So she posts 2 video clips of her and her grandmother, right? And one of them look like recently, like right before she passed, and one of them look, I don't know, I want to say it look like it's a while ago, right? Because she look healthy and stronger and everything. So I'm going to show them to you, and you can see what I'm talking about. All right, here goes.
Love you.
She don't say you know?
No. I love you. My ear.
You know, people, very touching, especially when the person say she knows say you, that means she probably not go and come, you know what I mean? So, boy, again, condolences to the family, you know what I mean, to Desha and everybody, Beenieman, all him kids, him wife, everybody. You see what I say? My deepest condolences to them. And when we're looking at Desha comment section, we see all our artists and come out to support. You know, ding dang or support, yeah, that is like automatic. That's a given. You see what I say? We see people like Twins of Twins, all kind of people. Even Sean Paul we see in the comment section. I send film RIPs them. You see me? So, more that encourage you to see them when you get in the comment section and send some RIP to Beenieman, some condolences to the family as well. So along with the post that Desha make, she had a caption, and the caption say, "This one I will never be able to accept. You're in a better place. I know that, but I am not ready. R.I.P. Mama." Right? So people, we know how it feel enough to lose your grandma. You see me, I say, I lose my grandma before, so I know how it feel. I can't know exactly Desha feel because I don't know the relationship between them, but from what we see from these few video clippings just now, it looked pretty close, right? It looked pretty affectionate, and it looked like Desha did it with her more than once, right? So, like I said, the whole family, when just hold on their eyes and try to pull through, right? Now, we don't really see Beenieman post nothing yet, and that is kind of expected, you know what I mean, if he might go post any at all. But we understand and know, say, right now, him probably are the one where I do most, and, you know, him just now go, that's not the first thing on his mind for come and post and say anything. You see me? And I check out Crystal page also. I'm going to see Crystal post anything either, which is also expected because maybe she and Beenieman, you know what I mean, at the same place right now or whatever. I don't know. But like me I say, we just all try to just keep it respectful towards the family. We're not too running, but we just make the general public know because sooner or later we're not going to find out. You see me I say, most I want to find out things these ways from like these vlogs and these other, you know what I mean, medium. So, you know, we just share it with the public, being that he's a public person and is as an entertainer. And then we also know say mother is sick last year. And she pulled through and did a do good. And then she sick this year again. And then it seems like she did a do good again. And then now she finally passed away. So it's very sad, people, like I say, very sad all around. And I can't say it enough, but just condolences to Beenieman family. And just I wish them the best, you know. I know everybody miss them mother and then grandmother, auntie, or whosoever she be to all the family members, right? So that's it now, people. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the family. For all my long-time subscribers, big up on yourself. Thank you for being here. All right, so everybody have a wonderful day, night, whatever time it is, wherever you are. Thanks for watching.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yadi.